Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? Part 2. Santa awoke to something cold and wet hitting him in the face. He squinted one eye open, saw a pile of snow on his lap, and squeezed his eye shut again. "Wake up, Father Christmas." Another blast of cold caused Santa to roll his head to one side as water dripped from his nose. He tried to raise a hand to his face, but his arm wouldn't move. Santa tried to stand, only to realize his feet were bound in place as well. He slowly fluttered his eyes open as his sight adjusted to the dim light around him and took in his surroundings. He was sitting on a hard wooden chair in a part of the workshop the elves no longer made toys in. Red ribbons held his arms and legs in place. Santa flinched as another snowball appeared from the deep shadow in front of him and nailed him dead center in the chest. "Well, there he is." A voice cackled from the shadow. "Did you have a successful Christmas, Santa?" Santa strained his neck as he tried to see the person just out of sight. "Why don't you come into the light, and I'll show you how successful it was." "Easy, old man." Henry stepped into view. "I'd hate for something terrible to happen to you." "Henry?" Santa struggled against his bindings. "What have you done?" "Something I should have done a long time ago." "How?" "This." In one hand Henry held up a candy cane sharpened into a point. In the other he held a small leather pouch. He tossed it in the air slightly one time. "And this, a borrowed gift from our old friend, the Sandman. Don't worry, though. I'll return it while he's at your funeral. Henry, you better let me go before I permanently put you on the naughty list." "Naughty list?" Henry's jaw clenched. "Go flock yourself, you judgmental tree-topper." "This again?" Santa shook his head and sighed. "Why would you do this? I'm so tired of your games. It's the same thing every year, over and over and over. We work our fingers to the bone for you while you sit on your judgmental throne. As soon as it's over, we start all over again. It's a never-ending loop, and I can't take it anymore. Part 3 coming soon.